Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And today we are going to doodle Miss Tarantula from the new movie The Bad Guys. So let's see. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to start drawing Miss Tarantula with the eyes. So I'm going to make a little shape like this. And then I'm going to come down a little bit. And then go across like that and make sure that that's all connected there. And then I can do a U shape and a little circle and then color that in all dark. And I'm going to really thicken up this top line and make this part here a little kind of pointy, a little pointy-ish. And I'm also going to thicken up right here. And we can do a eyebrow up top. And I'm going to thicken that up in certain parts too. Like that. Now let's do the other eye. So across from that we're going to try to do another eye that is around the same size. We don't want to make one huge and the other not so huge. So I did a shape like that. And then I go across straight right there. And then I come on up and connect those lines. And I'm going to make this end part here a little bit pointy like I did with the other eye. And we're going to do that U shape again and a little circle and color the rest in all dark. And we're going to do another eyebrow. Okay, like that. And we're going to give her a little smile. Kind of like a little smirk. And we're going to start with the face shape. So I'm going to come on down the side here and give a little bit of a cheek. So I'm coming out this way a bit. And then we can bring it back in. And I'm going to do the same on this side. And up top, we're going to curve in, bringing our line inwards on both sides. But she kind of has like spiky pointy hair. Like that. Okay, so now let's do her neck. We've got two little lines here. And we can do the collar of her outfit. And then do a little line coming down like that, and on the other side. And we can bring a line going this way and on the other side too. And then bring it on in. Same over here. And we're going to do a little line here and one right here. Now we can do one line here and then come on up and one here and straight line right there. So this looks a little silly, but she's going to have her two hands into the pockets of her sweater. And let's see, I'm just going to make a little line like that, so it kind of shows that she's got some like something in the pockets, which is obviously her hands. And then I can do a little line like this to show the bottom of the sweater. And I'm going to start doing some tarantula legs. So she's got, let's do one right here. And another on the other side. And I'm going to do a line right here. And we can see she'll have another leg right here in the back. And here in the back. I'm gonna put a line right there and one right there. And she'll have another one in the back and on this side too. Maybe this one will be kind of coming out a little bit. And maybe over here we can see a little bit of a leg right there. And she's got one more on each side. So let's put one there. And we'll put this one right there and have a little bit poking out right there. All right, so another thing about Miss Tarantula is that she's got a bit of a round behind, I guess you would say. That big tarantula thing in the back. So we can put like a circle, kind of like a circle right here. But not a full circle, obviously, because we've got her head there and her body right there. But I am gonna put a line right here and right here. And I'm going to kind of make some little zigzaggy lines. Put one right there and right here. Kind of helps to show where I'm going to put one color of her leg and then the other color of her leg. So I'll put another zigzaggy part here and here. And maybe one right here, right here. If you want, you can kind of just kind of put those in as you're coloring, and you don't have to really draw these lines in. But I just figured I would put some in as I was going. And I'm gonna start coloring now. All right, folks, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have an awesome, super wonderful, fantastic day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!